Greetings, everyone. Today, we're going to show you how to clean your bathroom like a pro. Are you ready to transform your bathroom into a gleaming oasis of cleanliness? Well, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll be sharing in-depth techniques, tips, and tricks to help you clean your bathroom like a seasoned pro. So let's get started. A successful bathroom cleaning session begins with having the right tools at your disposal. Before we get to the cleaning process, let's take a moment to ensure you're well equipped. Here's a detailed rundown of the items you'll need. Microfiber cloths and disposable wipes. All-purpose cleaner and disinfectant. Glass cleaner for mirrors and glass surfaces. Toilet bowl cleaner and a toilet brush. Different scrub brushes for various surfaces. Squeegee for glass doors and windows. Broom, dustpan, and mop. Rubber gloves, apron, and safety goggles. Trash bags and a convenient caddy for organizing your supplies. Having this comprehensive set of tools ready will set you up for a successful and efficient cleaning session. Before we roll up our sleeves and start cleaning, let's establish a solid foundation. Proper preparation can make a significant difference in the quality of your cleaning results. Begin by ensuring proper ventilation. Open windows and doors or switch on the exhaust fan to allow fresh air to circulate and dispel any lingering odors. To protect yourself from potential splashes and fumes, don your rubber gloves, apron, and safety goggles. Safety always comes first, especially when working with cleaning agents. Our cleaning journey kicks off with the toilet, one of the focal points of any bathroom. To start, apply your preferred toilet bowl cleaner and allow it to sit while you focus on the shower and/or bathtub area, an essential part of your bathroom oasis. Begin by generously spraying the shower walls, bathtub, and fixtures with an appropriate cleaning solution. Allow the solution to sit for a few minutes to loosen soap scum and grime. Armed with a variety of scrub brushes, start at the top and work your way downward, giving extra attention to corners, grout lines, and crevices. For glass shower doors, employ a squeegee to banish water spots and streaks. Don't forget to descale and clean the shower head, faucets, and any other fixtures. Rinse everything thoroughly to ensure no cleaning residue remains. The result? A shower and bathtub that are impeccably clean and ready to shine. Now, let's elevate the cleanliness of your bathroom to the next level by focusing on mirrors and glass surfaces. Spritz a high-quality glass cleaner onto a microfiber cloth, and gently wipe down mirrors, windows, and any other glass elements in the room. Using a Z pattern will help you achieve that coveted streak-free finish. Remember, it's crucial to attend to the often neglected corners and edges of mirrors for an immaculate appearance. Equip yourself with a microfiber cloth. Spray the sink area with your favorite all-purpose disinfectant cleaner and meticulously wipe down the sink and faucet, paying extra attention to hard-to-remove stains, toothpaste splatters, and soap residue. Now back to the toilet. Use a toilet brush to clean the interior of the bowl. Clean the exterior and the base with a microfiber cloth and all-purpose cleaner. Remember to disinfect the flush handle and its surrounding area. As a final step, employ disinfectant wipes to sanitize frequently touched surfaces, such as faucet handles, doorknobs, and light switches. With the major surfaces addressed, it's time to direct our attention to the flooring. Begin by using a broom or vacuum to eliminate loose dirt, hair, and debris from the floor. This thorough step will make mopping significantly more effective. Next, select an appropriate cleaner for your specific flooring type and mop the entire floor. Starting from the farthest corner, work your way outward, ensuring consistent coverage and a flawlessly clean finish. Be sure to dedicate extra care to grout lines and corners, as these areas tend to accumulate dirt and grime. As the crowning touch, thoughtfully place all the items you removed earlier back onto countertops and shelves. Consider adding a touch of luxury with fresh towels, decorative accents, and an inviting fragrance to complete the transformation. If you've enjoyed this immersive journey into professional bathroom cleaning, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to The Big Sweep. For more bathroom cleaning ideas, watch this video next. See you in the next video.